Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlinking every TV and disabling casting. Open YouTube settings now, go straight to connected TVs or watch on TV. Remove each listed device. This severs the control channel. Once done, open your phone or computer's casting settings and switch casting off, and in the YouTube app disable any watch on TV prompts. This removes the immediate TV handoff. Make sure to stay signed in so you can finish the next cleanup steps without interruptions. Next, clear the app state so YouTube forgets previous device links and suggestions. On your phone or smart device, clear cache and app data, then uninstall updates. On some devices, remove the app and reinstall. This wipes local preferences that trigger watch on TV. Once reinstalled, sign back into your account and check settings. The watch on TV row or persistent prompt should be gone. If it still appears, don't panic. There's one final step to force a full reset. Finish by removing device links from your Google account security page. That severs server-side associations. Then restart all devices and test YouTube in a clean browser profile with extensions off. This verifies the change. If the watch on TV prompt persists, use an element blocker like uBlock Origin to hide that UI row on desktop, or contact YouTube support for account-side removal. If blocking, disable JavaScript blockers for other sites first. Otherwise,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.